Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm at the Diablo Lake Colonel Creek campground again. We're doing the Pacific Northwest hammock hang. Should have answered the call of nature before I turned the camera on. Get my hammock set up. I'm actually be setting up a new hammock this week. I got the Easthills, Easthill Outdoors. So I got the hammock bug nut, Easthill Outdoors camping hammock, and the Snuggler hammock underquilt, also by Easthills Outdoors. They sent me an email last week, during the week last week, and I said, hey, do you want to check out a hammock for us, since we liked the video that you did for us last time for the Easthills jungle hammock, which I still need to sleep in. And I said, yeah, sure. So let's get the tree straps going. I'm literally just up on it for the first time, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm thinking between this tree here and this tree here, but that's a big tree to go around, so I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. I don't know if it's gonna be long enough to go all the way around the tree or not, so I guess we'll find out. Wow. It's not gonna leave me much room, is it? Yeah. Trees in Washington are big. Although I think I see an alternative, but it's a little bit wider though, longer though. So I had to move camps because that tree was just too big. Okay, so I want to say this from personal experience. I want to make sure that I have this straight and the cord straight and not wrapped like this, because as someone who's tipped out of a hammock, yeah, that kind of sucks. So your mileage may vary, but it's happened to me a few times. So now I just make sure to keep all this nice and straight as it's going to be. I mean, it's still going to be a little turn, but when you crawl in and it puts pressure on it, it may flip you out. Okay, so I'm going to be honest, I'm not super comfortable with the tilt the way it is. Now I can level the hammock, but I found there's actually two trees. This one here and then this one over here. And I think I'm going to hang there between those two, because this one's not as big. It's not as big as the other one, but it's still fairly good size. And the other one, and I'll be on a nice flatter surface. So I'm going to move the whole setup over there, but I won't. I already showed you the initial setup. I'll just show it to you after I'm done setting up, after the move. All right, so I'm hung up here. I ended up changing locations again, but this one will be much better. And I'm underneath the tent pad, so I got hooked up here. Had to go around the tree a few times. Got the Underquilt hooked on. So you can see it's full length. So we'll go over while I'm sleeping in it. And what I did is, I need to get my bug spray out. They're coming at me pretty harsh. Okay, let's go spray out. Okay, so the Underquilt, it hooks right onto your own carabiner, which is here. So all I did is I made sure that this side ran up and is connected to this side of the carabiner, and then this side would come up and hook onto this side, so I would actually get a nice spread. And as you can see here too, at the end, the hammock actually has a nice already has a spread built in. So when I'm in here, I'm going to get full body coverage for comfort tonight. So I wanted to show you the bag. So it's 47 by 98, and it's only 35 ounces. So it's nice and long. In fact, it goes pretty much the entire length of the hammock, with the exception of this 8 to 10 inch spot right here. Not even a big deal. Probably gonna put my head on this end, and then yeah, be comfortable. I do have one critique though, and it's what I've been saying for a while. This cordage is crap. No offense, Easthills, but yeah, this stuff sucks. I'm not even gonna be using it. Thankfully, I brought my own paracord. I'm gonna dig the paracord out of Behemoth here. Should be right on top. If you're thinking about the size of this bag, most of this bulk is sleeping bag. I did go a little nuts on a few items I wanted to bring, but we got the got my channel logo food bag with some spices and stuff. But we have a bear can, so got my cordage, and I got my cordage. Got my backup fire kit. I got a cooking grate. One of my grills. What did I just drop? Something fell. I heard it hit. Oh, I dropped my coffee. That would have sucked because a buddy last night posted a picture of a bear that they saw out on the road. So yeah, we got bears. Hammock, or pillow, excuse me. And because we have bears, I made damn sure to bring bear spray. So what are you doing, backpack? fire kit, first aid. I actually went a little nuts on the cook kits. I brought 2. You're probably thinking, dude, that's nuts. Measuring cup and a skillet. I'll probably show you dinner. And, 2 garbage bags. And my sleeping bag, my 15-degree Mormont bag, which I could have compressed down, but I wasn't really that worried about it. And then my water. And then my water. And I still have some more things. Oh, that's the center pouch. And my water. So, yeah. Let's get that bug net on.